Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Neelu and today we will be learning Introduction of Irrational Number, how to find irrational numbers, how to insert irrational and irrational numbers. Let us start now. So, what is irrational number? A number which can neither be expressed as a terminating decimal nor as a repeating decimal is called irrational number. That means irrational number can be only non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. For example, we have root 2, cube root 2, 1 by 7, 1.41424344 and so on, and 2.121314 and so on, etc. Now let us take one example. We will be taking 1 by 7. So now if we divide 1 by 7, here clearly you can see 1 is smaller than 7. So directly we cannot divide it. To divide it, what we need is we need to add one 0 after 1. And to add one 0, what we need is we need to put one decimal here. So once we put decimal, we can add one 0 after 1. Now it's turned 10. So we can write 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7 we have 3. Now as we already have decimal, so we can add one 0 after 3. So now it's turned 30. So we can write 7 4s are 28. 30 minus 28 we have 2. Now as we already have decimal, we can add another 0 after 2. That means 20. So we can write 7 2s are 14. 20 minus 14 we can write 6. So now we can divide this number infinite time. So this 1 by 7 is a irrational numbers and 0.142 is a non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. Next we have how to find irrational number. So let us solve a question now. That is, find two irrational numbers between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. So by doing actual division we can write 1 by 7. Now let's see, if we divide 1 by 7, here we need what? We need to add one decimal here so that we can put one 0. Now we have 10. So we can write 7 1s are 7. 10 minus 7 we have 3. So we can add one 0 after 3. Then we can write 7 4s are 28. 30 minus 28 we have 2. So again we can add one 0 after 2. Now we have 20. So we can write 7 2s are 14. 20 minus 14 we have 6. So again we can add one 0. Now we have 60. So 7 8s are 56. Then 60 minus 56 we have 4. So as we know that 1 by 7 is a non-terminating decimal, so it will go on till infinite time. That means we can write 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 and so on. Similarly, after doing actual division, we can write 2 by 7 equal to 0.2857 and so on. Now, what we need to do is we need to find irrational numbers between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7, which is nothing but 0.1428 and 0.2857. So in between we can choose any number. So let's consider now two numbers between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7 are, here we can write 0.15, 115, 111, and we can write 0.1611, 6111, then 0.17, 117. Similarly we can write 0.18, 118, then 0.21211 and so on. So now from these 5 numbers you can choose any two irrational number. So we can write, therefore the number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7 are 0.16116, 111 and 0.21211, 211. Now we have find two rational and two irrational numbers between root 2 and root 3. So here you can see root 2 and root 3 are irrational numbers. So as number is given in root, so we have to convert into decimal form. So it will be easy to consider the or find the rational and irrational numbers. So let us write root 2. So now if we divide it, let's take 2 as a dividend. So we don't have any divisor here. So as we don't have any divisor, we can take any number. Let us take 1. So whatever divisor we take, we have to take quotient as the same. So quotient will be also 1. So 1 ones are 1. 2 minus 1 we have 1. Now the first step is done. The second step what we need to do is we need to write the divisor which is double of the quotient. That is, now we have 1. So double of the quotient will be 2. So we can write here 2. So now 1 is smaller than 2. We cannot divide it. So what we need is we need to put one decimal here so that we can write zeros here. Now we got 100. Then once we got 100, here you may ask why we got 20. Because whenever we convert root into a number or decimal, we have to add 2 digits. So that is the reason we got here 2 zeros. So now we have 100. So what we need to do is here after 2 we have to add another digit. So let us take here 4. Now if we add 4 here, so we will be having 24. So 4 24, so we have 96. So 100 minus 96 we can write 4. Now again, as we already have decimal, we can add 0 here. But here we will be adding 2 zeros. So in the next step, here what we need to do is we need to write divisor will be double of the quotient. So quotient we have 1 4. So double of 1 4 will be 2 8. Now we need to add another number after 2 8. So let us take here one number, that is 1. So here also we have to take 1. So 1 281, we can write 281. 400 minus 281 we have 119. Now let us add another zeros here. So now similar method we have to do. We have to take divisor should be double of the quotient, that is we can write double of quotient, that is 141. So double of 141 will be 282. So again we have to add another 0 after 282. So we can write here 4. Here also we can add 4. Now if we multiply 4 with 2824, we get 11,296. Now after minus we get 604. Similarly again we can add 2 zeros here. Now double of 1414 will be 2828. Now again we have to add another digit after 2828. So here let us take here 2. If you take 2 here, now if you multiply 2 with 28,282, we get 56,564. Now after minus we get 3,836. So here clearly you can see this is a non-repeating and non-terminating decimal. So we can write root 2 equal to 1.41421 and so on. And similarly by doing same method, we can write root 3 equal to 1.73205 and so on. Now here they ask find two rational number. So as we know, rational number means what? It should be terminating decimal. So here we have root 2, which is 1.41421, and root 3 value we have 1.73. So between these two numbers we can take any two rational numbers. So let us take after 1.4 we can take 1.5, then 1.6. So now let us consider 1.5 and 1.6. We have both are rational numbers. So we can write two rational numbers between root 2 and root 3 are 1.5 and 1.6. Now let us take irrational number now. Here consider irrational number will be here after 1.4 we have 1.515, then 1.6, 1.611, then 1.7, etc. So now as we have to find two irrational numbers, we can write therefore two irrational numbers between root 2 and root 3 are, here let us take 1.5, 1511 and 1.61611. Now next we have how to insert rational and irrational numbers. So question we have, insert a rational and an irrational numbers between 3 and 4. Now what we do, in the previous session we learned how to insert or how to find rational numbers. So here we can write let x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. So we have to find rational number, which is 1 by 2 into x plus y. Here value of x is 3 and value of y is 4. So we can write 1 by 2 into 3 plus 4, which is, we can write as 1 by 2 into 7. So that is 7 by 2. Now how to find irrational numbers? Whenever they ask irrational number, we have to do is root x into y. So we can write here x value is 3 and y value is 4. So we can write root 3 into 4, which is root 12. Similarly, we can solve another problem, that is insert a rational and an irrational numbers between 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. So same method will be using let x equal to 1 by 3 and y equal to 1 by 5. Now rational number equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y. So we can write here 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Here this portion by doing calculation or LCM we find here 1 by 2 into 5 plus 3 by 15, which is 1 by 2 into 8 by 15. Now 2 4 ja 8. So we can write here 2 4 ja 8. Now we can write 4 by 15. That means rational number is 4 by 15. Now let us find irrational number. So irrational number will be root x into y. So we can write value of x we have 1 by 3, where y is 1 by 5. Now by doing multiplication of both the numbers we get root 1 by 15. I hope that the concept is clear now. So here let me give you a few exercise questions which you can practice at home, and these are the questions. Thank you for watching.